Hey, happy Vlogmas Day 5. Y'all, hi. Welcome back to my channel, Alicia. This is Vlogmas Day 5. It's Monday and it's raining, but it's Monday and I went to work today. So, as you can guess, I didn't do anything fun, exciting other than go make money. But y'all, they gave me an air fryer at work. They gave me an air fryer. That was so random. Like, so random. But they gave me an air fryer. And it's so crazy because I was literally thinking about an air fryer. Oh, like, I can't even remember when. But it was like one of those quick little thoughts. You're like, damn, I could use an air fryer. Bam, I got an air fryer. This Vlogmas is about nothing special in particular. Actually, I shouldn't have had TV on. But it's about nothing special in particular. I got some packages in the mail that I wanted to show you guys because I want to document this excitement that I have for these pieces. And that's all. One, my Skims package finally came in the, actually it came in the mail on Friday. This new YouTuber that I follow, Kalia, I'm totally mispronouncing it. Kalia, Kaylee, probably Kaylee. She had an Instagram picture in the pants and I was like, ooh, those are cute. And then when I clicked, it was from the local European brand. So I was like, okay, bet. But this was all around Black Friday. So basically, I bought both of these. Honestly, we might as well just, yeah, I might as well just do a quick little Black Friday haul because it's raining on a Monday and it's, ooh, 555. Can you guys, no, you guys can't see that, but it's 555 on the clock. Ah! Y'all, change is coming. Good change. Yeah, this makes sense. I'm just gonna do a little haul of all the things that I got on Black Friday sale. And I'm gonna try these pants off because, okay, I'm gonna do the Skims first. Actually, I should probably do this in my chair because that's the point of me buying the chair. Duh. When I come home and I want to get in like my cozy vibes. Oh my god, y'all, it's raining. It's Monday and it's probably just now about to be 6 p.m. But when I want to get in my cozy vibes, I light a candle. Okay, so let's start. Oh no, let's start with the Skims. I kind of already opened it, but I didn't open it. It came up in this beat up box. I don't know if that was Skims doing or UPS, but either way, it's beat up box. So initially, the materials smoothing. Actually, I don't even know which one I got. Hold on. This is what I said. It's got like a sleeve on it a little bit. Because I couldn't decide if I wanted to do a long sleeve. Because I only wanted to buy one first to test it out. To see if I was going to like it anyway. Okay, so this is the Essential T-shirt bodysuit. Didn't realize that's what this was. But okay. So I don't know if you can see this. But like, it's pretty loose leaf. Which is cool, I guess. I don't know. I haven't tried it on. But we gonna see. The bodysuit part. It's a thong. Which I knew. I knew that, y'all. I knew that. But can one really ever be prepared for such an experience? Show you the pants. And then I'm going to just try them on together. So, like I said, these pants are from local European. I quite literally have never heard of the brand. I've never heard of the brand or the pants or anything to do with them before I had clicked on Aaliyah's page. Or no, it was actually like, you know that Aaliyah source page that like identifies all her outfits. I was trying to figure out which Skims top she was wearing, and she said it in the video, but I didn't want to go all the way back to YouTube, and like I didn't want to do all that. This black bag that says LE, and then it comes in this lot bigger bag. By the way, I got the Skims bodysuit in a small medium. That's how those come. I got these pants in a small medium. Oh no, I got these pants in a medium large. Ooh, cargos. I had bought some cargos from Fashion Nova like a couple years ago, but they didn't work out. hence why I bought these. I like the way they feel so far. Like, it's a thick material. It cinches on the sides, which I liked when I was. And you know what's crazy? Yeah, that's actually really crazy. Y'all, I really didn't even start reading the reviews until after I bought it. And I was waiting on it to come, and I was like, dang, that is crazy, actually. These are the pants. You can tie them at the bottom. Yeah, I'm about to try both of these pieces on. Okay, but y'all, why do I feel like an IG baddie? Like, first of all, I'm pretty sure I put the bodysuit on backwards. And I know you're running on how you do that. It don't got no tags. I'm not gonna fix it. Actually, a lot bigger than what I thought. Like, they're actually really big on me. But I like that. Like, there's a lot of room in them, which is comforting. But look, okay. So, they could do low rise. Well, that's a little bit low, but these are them relaxed. No cinching or nothing. I have so much room. Maybe it shouldn't be this big. It's so much room. Literally, another person. Well, not another person, but if I was pregnant, no, let's not put that in here. They're really big, more. They're just really big. The bodysuit, very snatching. Very snatching. Feel like soft life girly, or let me gather my words. Let me gather my words. The bodysuit is really snatching. I really like it. Now let's tackle the pants. Pants are really big, but you are able to cinch them. So hold on. I'm pulling them up to cinch them. And then I'm doing the same on this side. And then this is where they sit. Cinched. I like how relaxed they fit. But if I wanted to get them smaller, I feel like I could do a small. like I feel like I could definitely do a small. But, you know, they got pockets. These are really cargo pants. So, the pants are, they have these ties at the bottom. Like, if I really wanted to get G.I. Jane, like, I could do that. But I like them open leg, and I kind of like them flapping. But I like the versatility of them. These cargo pants are originally like $110. Which is obviously a lot for parents. I was influenced to buy these pants. I think I got them on Black Friday, so they were like $80, but after shipping and everything, it was like $100. So, did I save money? I like the pants, but I was saying if I wanted them to be smaller, because I ain't returning them. They ain't going back. I don't feel like going through that whole process and like trying to exchange. I would just get them taken in. Like, I would just get them taken in. And I honestly like them like this. Like, these are very comfortable pants. Very chill. Very relaxed. I like the way they sit. Ooh. Wow, I really do look like... Oh my God, I really do look like a military girl. Y'all, I look like Cadet Kelly. It's really this. It's really this. So maybe I should change our top because it's really giving Cadet Kelly. And there's pockets everywhere. So, is this the back pocket? Yes. So, we got pockets right here. Pockets over here. Pockets over here. Got pockets right here. I love some pockets now. Pockets right here. Y'all, I would never have to wear a purse with these pants. Like, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 8 pockets. I have 8 pockets. Like, what more could I need in life that I couldn't fit in these pants? Phone, wallet, lip gloss, vibes. Like, what else do I need to put in my pocket? Yeah, I like this. I'm satisfied with my purchases, so thank you, past Alicia. So I really just wanted to show y'all the few things that I got around Black Friday. I didn't really get anything on, I don't think on Black Friday, but you know, nowadays people are just starting their sales early in the week. So Ulta was doing their Black Friday sale like that whole week of Thanksgiving. And okay, so I actually didn't get this one during Black Friday. I got this the Fenty Gloss Bomb in hot chocolate. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really like it the first 3 times I wore it. I don't know, it honestly wasn't giving anything amazing. But now I like it. Like, I like it. It's grown on me. Yeah, so I got this one. I paid full price. It was $20, and looking back, I should have waited. Anyway, so that following week of Thanksgiving, they were doing their cream, their Gloss Bomb cream. Oh, it is in Fenty Glow. Anyway, they were doing half price on their Gloss Bomb creams, and I got the cookie jar, which is like a brown. Actually, maybe I should put this on. And then I got Fenty Glow, which is like a pink. This is not showing up good on camera at all. There we go. I got some mascara because they were also on sale for like half price. The Urban Decay Perversion. Oh my god, y'all, I just got a new subscriber. Oh, I also got some shoes. I got these brown boots. I've worn them so many times. I got these brown kind of rain boots from Fashion Nova. I don't have any brown shoes, and whenever I be trying to wear brown fits, I don't know, it just doesn't give with black shoes. Unless you're wearing like something to complement that black, but I wasn't. So I got some brown shoes. And then I got some black boots. Now, this girl, don't play with her. This boot right here, oh, it's cute. It's really cute. It's a skinny heel. But skinny heel always gives bad, yeah. These actually kind of tight around my calf. And I don't even have like big calves. Like, I think my calf is about a generally average size. Like, it's nothing crazy, but it's tight on my calf. But yeah, I love these boots. They have like gold hardware, like little chains. They're a dupe of some shoe, but I cannot think of the shoe right now. But honestly, is everything on Fashion Nova. I got a pair of Fugs off of Ego. I was like, let's try this out. And I like them because they don't have any brand labeling on them. They don't have any name. And I kind of love that. Like, I love it just not having any label on it. For the simple fact that it just looks like nothing. Like, it just looks like a simple style. And that's truly what I want. I just wanted the style. I really like the style of the shoe. So I'm very simple, very warm, very winter. So I got those. I got the brown boots. I got the black boots. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I got other stuff, but no, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oh, I mean, I got some bedding for my bed because obviously I'm redoing my room. If you're watching my room rental series, you would know, right? You would know. I bought the bedding, like the duvet cover, the insert, and I'm trying to figure out what sheets I want to get before I like switch everything. I'm rambling. This is pretty much the end of this. I'm about to sit and probably edit yesterday's vlog for Vlogmas, and then I'm probably gonna watch some TV, and then I'm chill. So thanks for watching Vlogmas Day 5. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.